So today is actually a fun day. My wedding is actually a year and a half-ish out right now, so we're kind of knocking everything out as it goes. But it's one of those things that, like, once you get everything done, people say, how do you stay excited for it? Of course I'm excited to marry Jordan, first of all, but it's one of those things where it's like you kind of keep the magic alive as it keeps going. So one thing I kept reading is brides were like most sad or wish they would have done subscription boxes, so I spent a lot of time looking around and looking at which ones are best, and then I finally decided to go with the Miss to Mrs. box. I'm gonna grab my phone because there's a lot of information that comes with it. So it is a 9-box subscription that comes quarterly. I think you can do it monthly, but when you sign up for the plan, it asks you like what time frame your wedding date is. And because mine was after June of 2021, so after June of next year, they said, hey, why don't we do it quarterly? So I'm like, all right, that's cool. So I signed up for it. It's $41.95, I think, a month, or a box is what I mean. So if you're doing it monthly, it'd be $41.95 a month. If you're doing it quarterly, it would be $41.95 every 3 months. I guess we'll get to it. I haven't even looked in it. It's been sitting in our spare room for like a couple of weeks until I had the time to sit down and actually go through it. So I'm just as excited about it as you guys are. So let's take a look at it. This tells you everything that's in it, and if you guys have ever watched any of my unboxing videos, I don't like looking at this because I like being just as surprised as you guys are. So when this came in the mail, Jordan was actually like, well, where's the Mr. to Mr. box? So I don't even know if that's out there. I didn't even look, but it was kind of funny. So I'm pretty excited to open this thing up. So getting to the fun stuff. So the first thing is a necklace. I'll do a fun little close-up of it so you can see it, but it's a diamond and it says congratulations to the future misses. So I will show this to you. So there's the necklace, congratulations to the future misses. It's a little diamond, 18, I think it's an 18 karat gold plated. So the first thing in this box is this really cute diamond necklace that I actually, well, it is a diamond necklace, so I will actually probably wear. I don't have one on right now, so. So the next up, it says the All That Sparkles Jewelry Wipes, 10 towelettes to clean your jewelry. Comes in this cute box. On the back, it says, quick clean for your diamonds, gold, silver, and gemstones. But yeah, they come in like these little individually wrapped wipes so they don't dry out. The box just slides open. And it says there's 10 of them in there, so that's a cool, nifty little thing for if you can't take your jewelry or even your ring to the jeweler, or if you don't have your own cleaner. There's cool little things, wipes for it. So next up, we have a future Mrs. planner. And there's notes, top priorities, appointments. It's just literally a planner. It doesn't have dates or anything, so this doesn't matter what year you use it. I'll show you guys a close-up of what the pages look like because they're all exactly the same. So that's the planner. If you have in the top here, it says top priorities, appointments, calls, and emails, and then over here is just notes. So this would be kind of a cool thing that if you were going to a bunch of appointments, like tastings and stuff like that, you could take this with you and write things down so you don't forget prices, food that you've tried, etc., or what flowers you like. So the third thing in your Miss to Mrs. box is this future Mrs. planner. Okay, so next up we have a love balloon tassels kit. Giant rose gold balloon and a 6-foot tassel garland. I'm assuming it is. It's one of those ones where you have to make the tassels yourself. They're actually not that difficult. I'll show you guys what they look like. I know the love ones are like everywhere, so I'm sure you guys have seen these before, but I'll show them to you anyway. So these are the love balloons with the love balloon, sorry, with the tassels, and then on the back it shows you the instructions on how to make the tassels. So the fourth thing in your box is this tassel garland and love balloon that you can use for any part of your wedding planning or wedding parties or anything that you would like to use it for. So next up are these super cute pens that you can use with your planner that we just talked about a couple items ago. One's rose gold, of course, and then one is rose gold polka dot. So I'll show you guys a close-up of these. So those are the 2 pens that came in here. It did come with 2, not just 1, which is pretty nifty. So the 5th thing in your box is this cool set of diamond back pens. Alright, so we're nearing the end of our box. We only have 2 things left. So the next thing in your box is this I Said Yes mug. It looks like it can be used for either hot or cold drinks. The lid is also rose gold like everything else that's in here. But it just twists on like that. I'm not a big coffee drinker, so I don't know if I'd use this for coffee or anything. Could probably find another use for it, but I'll show you guys a close-up of what it looks like. So here is the I Said Yes coffee mug, drink mug, whatever. Like I said, it has the rose gold top. It doesn't close here, but this opens and closes. So the sixth thing in your box is this really cool I Said Yes coffee mug. If you are a coffee drinker, this is perfect for you. I am not, but I'm sure, like I said, I can find another use for it. So there you go, second to last thing in there. So last up in your box is this kind of flip calendar almost thing. It looks like it's a countdown until your wedding date. So it says days until you and me become we. So I'll show you guys a close-up of what it looks like. I'll take it out of the wrapper first so we can flip it back and forth and show you. So there it is, days until you and me become we. Here is a quote. My assumption is because like right underneath this you start getting into the numbers, both of these, so once you get down to single digits you just flip them down to this. So I can actually start using this right now. I'm like at 500 days or something like that, but I'll probably put this up. So the last thing in your box, this was actually on the bottom, is this countdown calendar to your wedding date. And even someone who's a year and a half out can use it because it has triple digit numbers, which is exciting. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I just realized I did this whole entire video without my wedding ring on. This is what happens when the whole entire country gets put on lockdown and you work from home and you didn't put it on just because you're at home and no one to show it to. So thank you so much again for watching. If you are looking for a wedding subscription box or an engagement subscription box, I'd really recommend it. This is all stuff that's sitting next to me that I will probably more than likely use. Again, look into it if you want it. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. As these come in, I will keep doing unboxings of them. There will be 9 of these videos, it looks like, so don't get sick of me, and I'll see you guys at the next video.